guys? Welcome to the channel. I just came home and guess what I see in my living room? OMG, oh my gosh. So I called my wife. She's not home anymore, but she surprised me with this. And you guys are gonna see it, my first person point of view of what it is. I am so stoked. So this is huge. This thing is huge. And RX Carmine Red, guys. Super73. So my wife, I guess she surprised me and she went overboard after all, I'm not gonna complain because my gosh. Look at this box. Heavy AF. Yeah, and it is heavy AF. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm super excited. Check this out. Nice and clean. Packaging looks awesome. Looks like it's well protected. Yeah, what a day. What a surprise. She told me we ordered the S2, but we agreed on the S2, but last month when we test drove these, we liked the S2, but she already, unbeknownst to me, already had ordered it prior. So yeah, she's playing games with me, but yeah, top of the line, man. Like, I can't believe it. I love the S2, and I mean, what else can I do? I mean, I'm not gonna complain that she got the RX, But yeah, I love her. I love her 3000, or maybe should I say 3500, 3600, however much this was after all. But let's go ahead and begin unboxing this, shall we? So it looks like we unclip here. I've seen maybe a couple of videos of people doing this, and here's another video that you guys will see, but this time from a first person point of view. I just went and got my helmet. Yep, I look ridiculous, but I'm not gonna hold a camera. I'm not gonna do anything special. I just want to share it from this view so I don't have to do any kind of B-roll and stuff like that. But alright, what else do we need to unclip? Maybe the other side? Alright. Yeah, looks like it. This is no joke. This looks tall. So first and foremost, when you're unboxing, obviously charge the battery as soon as you can. That way, you can just go ahead and ride as soon as possible. What do we got here? Let's check it out. Okay, instructions, pedals, manual, bolts. This is probably going to be useful. Or are they spares? I can't tell right now. Wrench. Allen wrench. What is this? The charger is huge. Battery charger is huge. It even has a fan. The S2 charger doesn't have this kind of charger, so that's different. Ah man, where do I begin? So I unclip those things. I think it just... Okay, yeah. Once that's unclipped, I guess you just lift. Maybe I shouldn't be home alone while I'm doing this, but it is what it is. She left it for me. It's like a holiday present. That means before we even test drove, she already had ordered this. So she was just playing along. Alright. Man, this box is pretty heavy. Whoa. Oops. Okay. There's our ceiling. Ooh, there she is. What am I gonna name this? Red? I'm not really a fan of red, but this is actually a nice kind of red. It's not too flashy, you know what I mean? And it's like, you only have two options anyway. Gray is my favorite color, but hey, who can complain of this? I took Tristan Irvin's bike. This is Tristan Irvin's bike. Alright. This is nice, guys. Super stoked. Super excited. Okay. Let's do this. I should bring scissors out or a blade. But what was I gonna do? I was going to unmount the battery first. And I'm gonna need keys to do that. Keys are... There it is, handlebar. Alright, scissors. Where are my scissors at? Got some tools. Always slime everything, guys. Anything on wheels, I recommend sliming it. That's why I have this out ready before I even test drive this. Carnage. What do you guys think of the name Carnage? Carnage or Rex? Yeah. One of those. We'll see. Looks like it has some juice, so that's good. How much we will find out. Yeah, this is a fan. You might not want it directly on carpet. Leave that there for now. Alright, we're just gonna make a mess right now. Make a mess now, clean up later. So, first order of things, besides charging the battery, looks like it's installing the handlebars. Give me my wrench. I think it's here somewhere. Here it is. So let's do that. Let's loosen these bolts. Yep. That's weird though. I still got a V1. I thought, comment below if you know anything about that, but I thought that by now, November, it's like November 11th, that everyone will be receiving the V3 motors. Not that the V1s have a significant difference, but I just thought that they kind of already fixed that. Comment below if you know anything about it. Alright, this looks like I gotta cut this. Alright, what do we got? I can use this. Zip tie cutters. Alright. Get these wires, some spare wires here. I'm pretty sure it's going to be in front of this fork. Something like that. We can adjust that later. For now, let's get back to setting this up. So when you also, in screwing anything like this, in installations, you want to do like a star kind of pattern, diagonal. But I'm sure many of you guys already know that. Don't over tighten on one side, just so that you have a maximum torque on each. That's not even how I want to have it, but I just want to tighten it for now. Haven't really done any unboxing videos, setting up videos, but this is going to be the first. So bear with me. And it's handlebars looks kind of already intact. The tape. Alright. These bubble wraps. I don't know about you guys, but these aren't as fun as they used to be, popping these bubbles, as when you were younger. But I'm sure people still get a joy out of that. I wonder if there's a specific way of getting this plastic out. Yeah, the only way to do this is ripping this plastic. And I'm not ready to do that. We'll do that maybe last. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and happy holidays. I mean, we're gonna close in on Thanksgiving soon. It's already mid-November, pretty much. What is this tape for? This tape isn't holding anything that I recognize. Do you guys name your bikes? Comment below what you guys name your bikes. This might be Rex or Carnage. Maybe Carnage more so. I'm a Spider-Man fan. Carnage is obviously red, and yeah, we don't see Carnage a lot. Let's take care of the pedals. Where are you? This normally says left or right. I think I'm just gonna have to play on these threads, I guess. All right, 50% chance. Left side, you obviously do opposite of lefty loosey, so lefty will be tighty in this scenario. That's for most bike setups. Where's that wrench? The seat wrench here. There it is. That there. And you don't want to over tighten this either. I don't know the exact Newton meters, but kind of like hand tighten. Let's get to the other side. And the right side would be righty tighty. For those of you who don't know, I ordered her a Monday gateway for the holidays, and that's back ordered, or I mean, you know, they're doing their best to get that out to people, but it's been delayed for months now. In fact, we're trying to get her the booster version. Okay, so now that part is off, you can reverse, lift, and get this bike out of there. There she is. We're gonna just find out if it's actually if we're gonna love it or not. I mean, I love the S2. I don't really have complaints on it. This is supposed to be the upgrade, so we will see. We will have more videos of this. Obviously, You know, the other thing that I love over the S2 is that I love the LED headlights on the S2. Feels like that motorcycle feel. Versus this, it's like a dirt bike feel. It's a tiny little square. But that's just a preference. Obviously preferences. These are all just minor preferences. You can change if you really want to. Alright, so this is, I know you adjust your springs this way, your suspensions. One way is to have less suspension, and the other way is to have more suspension. I can't say for sure because I don't know 100% yet on which way is which. Alright, that looks like it's a chain slap guard. That's what this is for. 48 volts, 20 amp, equals 960 watt per hour. So that's good. This one's in Korea, made in Korea. That's the same as our, that's exactly the same as this S2 battery. Pop that in, lock it into place. Oh, turn the machine on. Let's get to the settings. Alright. First time on. No, I don't want to do kilometers per hour. So settings, contrast, how much you want your LED to be visible. I'm okay with 85. Units, I want miles per unit. This is on the left side, so keep it on the left side. Backlight 75. Sure, 70 is fine. Walk. So the S2 doesn't have this version. Walk on, walk off. I'm guessing that's the walking your bike feature, but I don't mind that at all. That's the version I have. I am not sure what that is, but yeah, let's get out of the settings. View, the speed, 0 miles per hour. Looks like we have 50% charge right now. Equals 18. Cadence. Oh, it has a cadence feature. Power. Wow, it has, okay, that's new. It has watts power. PAS. Obviously should be 4. 4 should be maxed. Total miles, 0 miles, brand new. Let's let's do some throttling a little bit here. Lift the tires, lift the back tire. Okay, at 50% it only goes up to 23 miles per hour. That's kind of strange. Rear lights work, rear sensors, you can see that as I brake. So some S2s have a lot of that problem. So when I'm pressing the brakes, these lights are working. So that's good. Sensors work. 23 miles per hour at 50%. That's kind of, I mean, I know it starts to die when it's maybe 15%, but at 50% battery, it's already struggling. It could be just it's not charged at all, but something to look at. All right, folks, that's the unboxing for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and welcome if you're brand new. I do a lot of e-bike content. Like and subscribe. We also do group rides, so we're trying to expand our e-bike community. Check out the links in the description below. This is Julian signing out, and see you guys next time. 3, 2, 1, and we're out.